Here we go again, the Good Wine Project from Thailand, today together with Roberta Gorgo from the Gorgo Winery. Today we're talking about a specific wine that is, I think, the characteristic and especially the soil are really, really inside this glass of wine. Roberta.
Yes, this wine is called Canova, which is the name of the hill where the vines are cultivated. So we can talk about a Single-Varietal. It's made with the Corvina grape 100%. So in purity, Corvina is the most important red grape from Verona area, is one of the grape used to produce Amarone, Ripasso, or whatever from Bardolino. Here we decided to see how Corvina can offer you a different expression. Here you get a very velvety and juicy drink together with a nice fruity red fruits and red wine. You see you see the texture. You see the concept is to reach and to collect very, very ripe Corvina, and then we leave the wine evolve in 3 times used barrique.
Red fruit, a lot of, actually a little bit of chocolate,
Nice.
licorice, something like with very intense on the nose. But how the mouth? What do you feel?
Yeah, I feel, again, a little black pepper because of the variety. I feel as a persistent, is rich, is round, but never too sweet, I think, if you agree. And it's a wine, certainly for food pairing, because it's never too much. It's not too strong. You know, we work about finesse, about balance and elegance. With this
Love
wine.
the fact of the sweetness that you say. This sweetness comes from the ripeness, not from heavy sugar. Low intervention means also that in the cellar, Gorgo doesn't add anything that the vineyard produces itself. So talking about the sugar and sulfites.
Yeah. The 2 elements are the less possible to have a wine that lasts in time, but we never add too much, and it doesn't interfere, and you cannot feel and experience this. The concept is to provide a medium structure red, a wine easy to pair, a unique wine because only in this area of the world you can have a single variety Corvina.
So the residual sugar in this wine is?
Is 2.9. Yeah.
So very little, very important because drinkable, easy, fresh, but don't forget alcohol volume here.
13.
So it's an important wine. Never drink and drive. Drink less, drink better. This is the good wine from Bangkok, Sawadee Cup.
Thank you.